Good morning, guys. It is 8 in the morning and my hair's done, my makeup is done. I'm almost dressed and I have to be at work at 9. It's my first day. I'm really nervous. Nerves of steel, I wish. Jerry doesn't have to work today and I do. This is very weird. Anyways, I've already put up a vlog this morning. I'm ready to go. I've ate breakfast. I'm just on it this morning. Like, but playback. Anyways, I don't know. I'm only working until 12, so I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. So 4 hours later, I am done with my first half a day of work. Excuse me. I'm not used to getting up at 6 every morning, so this is going to be definitely something to get used to. I used to do it on my old job every day. I had to get up at 6 and had to be at work at 7:30. So I got to get used to that again. But it was a good day. I really liked it. And I'm excited to see what this path has in store for me. Me and Jerry are about to go and grab some lunch. We're gonna go to this place called the Pizza Inn. It's kind of like a CC's. I don't know if it's everywhere, but I know it's like a CC's. So most people have CC's, so I'll compare it to that. Anyways, I just wanted to update y'all.
Stop.
Does it tickle?
I'm not kidding. I'm about to tickle you.
Shock it.
I'm about to tickle you.
No, don't tickle me. Ah! Okay, surrender. White flag. White flag. White flag.
Okay.
Love you. Good night.
Right.
Good morning. How are y'all doing today? It is September the 6th. It is the next day. I vlogged yesterday, but it was only a few clips, so I'm gonna put today with that. Hopefully we're getting our new car today, so that is why I'm vlogging. So it's been a little while since I've talked to you guys. Don't do it. Washington? My cat has lost his mind. Okay, so, we just got this can you see it? Grandfather clock right there. And it was sitting on the side of the road, so it was like a little beat up, and we're gonna have to fix it up. So Jerry took the front off of it, like the glass part and the door, to fix a piece of the chipped wood and to reattach the glass right. So the front is off of it, so you can jump up in it and sit on the wood. And Washington is heavy, and all of a sudden I heard something go bang and then kind of crack, and he had jumped up in there and almost pushed the bottom of it out because he's so heavy. Anyway, so I've been yelling at him, and he keeps running from one end of the house to the other, and Bella's chasing him because she is the only thing that keeps him from really, really misbehaving. Anyways, it's 1:41. Jerry was supposed to be home at 12. So I was gonna go and do the car thing, but he's not here yet. And I don't know if I told y'all, but I'm getting a new dining room table. So that should be fun. I got supper going in the crock pot. I'm making roast with carrots and then mashed potatoes. So, anyways, guys, so we went to the car place and dropped off our paper. And we don't know if we're gonna get the car or not. And I'm very frustrated. Are you? But anyways, I'll keep you posted. Guys, look at our new table. Isn't it cute? So, it's adorable. I'm probably going to have to get rid of that because it doesn't match anymore. But Jerry will be happy because he doesn't like that thing anyway. Right, babe?
Yep.
Are you getting lovin's? Are you getting some lovin's? Hey guys, so it's the next day now. I forgot to end the vlog last night, so I'm ending it now, and then I'm gonna go edit it up. I hope you guys had a wonderful day and a wonderful night, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.